Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the tool safe. Disconnect the spark plug or remove the battery so it cannot start. Once done, flip the trimmer so the spool faces up and stabilize it on a work surface. Now remove the spool cap, press tabs or unscrew depending on model, and lift the spool out. Make sure the replacement line matches the original diameter. Cut roughly 10 to 20 feet depending on spool size. This step sets you up for smooth loading without surprise. Next, identify the arrow on the spool indicating the winding direction. You must follow it so the line feeds properly. Insert one end into the anchor notch or through the spool eyelet to hold it while you wrap. Wind the line in neat, tight coils, keeping coils adjacent and avoiding overlaps or twists that cause jams. Leave about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of tail outside each spool eye. Once wound, thread tails through the housing holes before reinstalling the spool cap. Reinstall the spool and snap the cap or screw it down until secure. Make sure tabs are fully engaged. Reconnect the spark plug boot or battery, then start the trimmer in a safe area. Tap the spool on the ground or use the bump feed and watch the line extend. If you get a steady feed, you're done. If the line doesn't feed, make sure winding followed the arrow, tails are the right length, and there's no debris blocking the exit. Correct those and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.